Hello again, my friends. Do you remember this guy? This massage gun. I think it's a machine gun. Okay. Yeah, I've been waiting for some devices able to control the charging and discharging of this guy, because the original charger, it's not available anymore. So finally I got me from AliExpress these little guys. Very cheap. It's this 2S 3 amps lithium battery 7.8 8.4 charger protection board. So I hope it's doing the job like they advertised. Over voltage, over discharge, 3 amps, 5 amps peak. This is more than enough. And this is the schematic here. Of course, P plus, P minus, we're gonna have the input and output. They are together on the same contacts. Okay, so here we have 20 parts of, they are so cheap, and I said to myself, why not? Let's have it here on my bench, because you'll never know when it's really necessary. So we got nothing else to do today but to have one of these inside massage gun for controlling the battery charging and discharge. Okay, let's open it up and see what is happening. It's really dangerous, and this is for a friend of mine. I don't want to see his house burning because of experimenting with all kind of power supplies, or chargers, let's call it. What I don't like about is that right here in this situation, originally, we already have the output from the cells. So it's kind of crazy, this kind of schematic, and I'm gonna have a diode to the input port, so I don't want to have any leak outside the system. Okay, let's open it first. Got a few screws. Not big deal. I don't need to open this one. So let's take this out too. Need access to the cells down there. Okay, in place. And there we go. Oh yeah, we need to open this up too. Right here. So we already have a BMS here. You know something? This is exactly the same stuff with the middle point there and the out. Beautiful. Yeah, this is absolutely the same. Okay, I want to have a diode right here, a really strong one, to avoid any unnecessary leaking from the power supply. So what I'm gonna do, just cut the traces and add. Okay, and here we have another soldering point. Yeah, it's plenty of space, I don't really mind about. And here we have a really strong diode that will do the job. With no doubt, flux, like always, is very, very important. There we go. Yeah. Perfect. So now I'm pretty sure we got no return current. Okay, so that's my power supply right there. Let's put it to 9 volts. 921. Let's check for voltage. Nothing left to do but to wait for these guys to charge, and probably, as long as I'm here, I'm gonna have a kind of LED for let us know if this it's on charge or not. I think it's a nice touch, isn't that? Doesn't look too elegant, but at least I have a visual indication about the charging. Okay, let's go back to 9 volts. That should be enough. We should see the, look there, you see? So we have an indication about the charging, and let's go to charge again. Now it's taking 300 and something. You see, the point is that I want to know if it stops at the right voltage. Gonna take a while. In the meantime, kind of protection there. Yeah, that's a nice touch. Oh, the diode, it's very strong, so we got no, almost no heat. Bit of glue. Come on, it's charging. Yeah, maybe I should put the current higher. Let's go to 1.5 amps. 7.5 and growing. I'm concerned about the vibration, so that's why I'm having this glue. But what's nice that we have a visual indication about the charging, or at least we can see that the charger is on. 1.2 amps further. Yes, and it stops. Look there. So after 53 minutes with 2 amps at 4.5 something, the charging has stopped. So the BMS is working. Nothing else to do but to put all these things back together in the case. So all I can say is that now I'm feeling secure. I can give them the machine, be used daily. Everything is fine, so the BMS is working as it should. Okay, let's put all these things together. You know, having this LED here for charging indication, it's a nice touch. Yeah, it's pretty solid. The battery are not stressed. Okay, so that's it, people. You see, this is from the same series like fixing things for friends for free, or free fixing for friends. BMS, the original, it's working. It's protecting the cells for charging lower voltage, extra voltage, under voltage, and everything, even short. I hope it's useful, and like always, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And by the way, thanks a lot to my sponsors, Radoji and Bladka from Amphia Records and Jack. And of course, like always, please push the like button, doesn't cost you anything. Until the next one, don't forget to have fun. See you, bye bye.